Assalamu alaikum viewers. So you just have to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get more notification about my video. Thank you so much. Issue about greenhouse gases and greenhouse effect. There are two different things. Greenhouse gases are the different things and it cause greenhouse effects. So let's study about greenhouse effect and greenhouse gases in a description way. So first of all, as you can see here, I have drawn a diagram. This is a nursery greenhouse. In this greenhouse, plants are inside the greenhouse, and this glass wall or this structure that is made up of plastic sheet or glass. So this structure is responsible to take the sun radiation, but in result this sun radiation will not go out. So this is nursery greenhouse. First of all, if you want to learn this term, you just have to keep one thing in your mind, that what is greenhouse. If you visit the nursery, a lot of people have think about like greenhouse is just like they do not have that idea about the greenhouse, because they are not really aware about greenhouse effect. So greenhouse effect, whenever you visit the nursery, a lot of places there are different greenhouse. If you visit the nursery, a lot of people have think about like greenhouse is just like they do not have that idea about the greenhouse, because they are not really aware about greenhouse effect. So greenhouse effect, whenever you visit the nursery, a lot of places there are different types of greenhouse effect. So this greenhouse can cause the plants which are present inside it. The greenhouse responsible to protect and the rapidly growth of the plants taken place inside the greenhouse. In a similar way, naturally there is some type of protection sheet inside around our earth. So as there is a sheet, in the same way the sheet is around our earth, it protect our earth. This is naturally. And the number of gases surround our earth, it makes the earth atmosphere. And the number of gases are carbon dioxide, methane gas, nitrous oxide, sulfur oxide, and CFC gases. So when the atmosphere like in a similar way as it happened in the greenhouse in the nursery, the same thing happened here. Naturally, sun radiation is fall on the earth, so few of the sun radiation is absorbed by earth and few of the radiation is returned or reflected back to the space. But radiation is fall on the earth, so few of the sun radiation is absorbed by earth and few of the radiation is returned or reflected back to the space. But nowadays it happening that just because of greenhouse gases, the reflected radiations are not going into the space, because there is a sheet, there is a number of gases around the earth. The gases are increased in their amount, that is why they trap that sun radiation. So what happening next? The sun radiation is occur on the earth, it is present on the earth, and the sun radiation is do not reflected back into the space. So just because of that, our earth temperature has increased. So alternately, if you look at the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, sulfur oxide, nitrous oxide, when you look at these gases, then who are responsible to produce these gases? Obviously human beings are responsible to produce that gases, because we are the one who burn coal, who burn fuel, oil, natural gases. So what they produce? They produce greenhouse gases. And nowadays a lot of, whenever you go out, a lot of traffic, a lot of vehicles you see on the road, but it didn't happen in the past day. So if you will compare the temperature of our earth nowadays and the previous days, so there is a fluctuation, there are a lot of difference. The summer earth nowadays and the previous days, so there is a fluctuation, there are a lot of difference. The summer season is more hotter, and the winter season is more colder. So why it is happening? Because the greenhouse gases are getting higher and in a higher amount with the passage of time. In a same way it is responsible for greenhouse effect, because our earth takes sun radiation, it fall on our earth, and then what happen on the result? As the sun radiation goes back into the space, that radiation is trapped or captured by greenhouse gases. So the radiation is trapped inside the within the earth. So what will be happen? The earth temperature will be increased, right? So same thing happen in greenhouse nursery. As I have told you, as I give you example of nursery greenhouse, same situation is happen here. So in this video tutorial I have told you about greenhouse gases, greenhouse effect, and I have give you an example of nursery greenhouse, the one we see normally in the nursery. So I hope guys you really like my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up, and please do comment section like what type of video you want to see, what type of topic you want to learn from me. You just have to comment me and I'll be waiting for you. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.